So, guys, today we are starting a little late. I had an appointment in the morning, so again, I apologize. But let's get cracking. Let's get cracking. So, I always go here. We always try to find the daily. So let's see the dailies. Not really worried about what's going on. So we've got a daily low, which it looks like it didn't want to come down to. But that's okay. Then we got the daily high way up here. Right here. And then we'll just pump down to the 4 hour. So definitely something to take a look at on the 4 hour. Let me get this data series up to par so we can look at stuff. So 4 hour high and low. And we'll make this a little bit lighter. A 4 hour high. And if this pumps down to, we could use this as a 4 hour low. Right here. I like this part right there. That's really nice. It's, yeah, the pivot point. Oh, actually, I will just mark that as a line that we want to, a line of interest. And then we're going to go to the 1 hour. And see if we see anything here. If this goes down here, of course, we'll be targeting this right down here. This has got to be it right here. That's the move. If it goes up, now we could target that line right here. But we will see. So now we'll just go to the 15-minute. Just wait for. Been going all sideways, which is not care about. So we've got 892. It's 300. But those are, let's see. This is a very interesting line I would like to target. And it looks like we are just going to be pushing down. So, if it takes out of here, then I want to see a pushback. Will be a pullback in this area, so let it. And the daily shows us what? We're going down? Of course. We don't continue that downward. I don't know what. So really just right here. It needs to close in a minute. Maybe come back into that. Because what do we really have after that? We don't have anything stopping it. See if we can see the 15-minute. Of course. we are not going back far enough. And there's really nothing. I got maybe this, but I'm just going to target this pivot point. But I really, really want to see 15-minute close. That looks good. Let's get a nice little retracement. Now we're at 45 here in a second. So let's take a look at what's going on. What is going on for calendar? We got anything going on today? All right, so we've got 24, nothing. Good to go. Trump speaks to tonight. Whoop-de-doo. And we got trade. Let's see where oil's at. Of course, oil's probably. It's crazy. I saw this morning I was getting gas, and oil's at $70 a gallon, and yet it's still $3.50 or $3.90. It's like crazy. So let's see what this reaction we have off of this, off the midpoint of the orb. Or maybe we could take a awesome, because we didn't really touch any of this. We came down into it, but we didn't close. So let's see what we can do. I'd really like to get past all of this noise right here. You know, at least this. I mean, we got to close below that. But really, if we close below this area, the 629, 624, we could see a nice continuation. But and so far, we've got 15-minute is saying down, 5-minute is saying down. You know, 1 minute's retracing up. So love to see it hit this. What is this? 722 and 600? That's 100. Jesus. You know, let's see what the 2-minute says. It's wild how big these are. Well, that sucks. Really would like to. We're done for the day. We got 1,000 back. Doing good. So that's quick. You know, I really wanted to hit. See that line that we hit? And then it took a reaction off that. that low. Look at that. Boom. Hit it. Is it going to continue? Of course. But you see on the charts we're 1,000 and 700. So like, again, that's good for the day. I'm not going to make the same mistake as last time. Because yesterday I tried to take another trade and it didn't work out. So, you know, I still saw this reaction right up to the 50, took it down to this right here. It's going to have some trouble right here. It might come back up here and then continue downward. But that's all I need, guys. That's all you need too. So all you need is little wins every day. Little wins every day. So today we made what, 1,800 bucks. And that's got us back into the green. You know, we're back $500-600 into our funded. That's all I needed. So, I mean, that was a quick day. Super quick day. And I tell you what, I wish I'd had extra 200, but it's okay. Like, it went right back up. Let's see what that will do. I'm just gonna switch to the sim. And I will shut it off. I'm like, what do we? I'm just gonna take a sell off the sim. You know, we'll see. It's just popping right back up. We'll see if buyers keep continue to go. And what it means we're dumping on oil, yeah. Look at that. That's 6 to 7. It's a 100-point move. So the trend is going up. I mean, why fight the trend, right? Let me pop down to my 2-minute. Show you. Trend's going upwards. Why fight the trend? Again, we're just on a sim account. We're not even just messing around because you know our trade worked in our favor. 1,800 bucks. Small wins. Get back into the green. So, like, do you take this? I mean, right now it's fighting. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this all the way up to the top, and then put it right back down. I'm gonna put it right in here. You know, just give you guys some content to watch. You know, if we look at this on the 500 tick chart, let's see if it looks like it's a good trade off the 500. Yeah, that's pretty good off the 500. I mean, it's kind of collapsing on the 500. Not really not really a good trade. Yeah, oil's collapsing, so it should go up. I mean, we should be getting at least right here. At least right there. at the 807. If it closes past here, I'll buy in another. Put it down in this 30 points. So we'll see. You know, we'll see if this continues upward and pushes up. I mean, look at, we got buyers stepping in and then sellers saying, hell no. That's not what we're doing right now. But buyers are still pushing it. Come on, we need a good break. Could come down to here and then come back up. Could go lower. Really would like buyers to say hell no. You know, on the 2 minute. This is why I always looking at the 2 minute. Oh, so that was like $2,000 loss, but it was on our sim account, so who cares? Again, so we came back, we came through here. But hey, I mean, I'm good for the day. I'm good. We're up on our fundeds. Worked in our favor. I'm not going to be mad at it. So we reacted off that. We reacted off the EMAs. We're still pushing right through. But oil's not doing a damn thing. Oil is not doing a damn thing. So anyways, guys, that is good to go. We got 1,800 for the day. As you can see on our chart, we are good to go for the day. We're back up. So you guys have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.